Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily sell your digital downloads as products on Shopify. The first thing we're going to want to do is pull up the Shopify App Store. After you pull up the Shopify App Store, you're going to want to search in the search bar for the digital downloads by Shopify. Make sure you download this one in particular and then just click install. After you add the app to your website, you're going to notice that all of your products are listed here within the app, and you can even sort by active, draft, or all. Okay, so now what you're going to want to do is select the product that you want to add as a digital download. When you click on it, you'll notice that you can add a file, and this is where you're going to upload the digital download that you want your customers to receive when they check out on your website. After it has finished uploading, you'll notice that you can see it down at the bottom in the left-hand corner. That is how you know that it has been successfully uploaded. If you click up here on the fulfillment button on the right-hand side, you'll notice that you have the option to either automatically send files or manually send files. If you want your customers to automatically receive their digital download after they purchase it off of your website, then I would select automatically send files. If for whatever reason you need to manually create a download link, you can do so by clicking more actions and then click create download. You'll notice that a link has been generated, and then you would just copy that link. And that's it. That's how you add a digital download to your Shopify store. Thank you for watching today's video. If you want to learn more about Shopify, email marketing, different apps to use, and just business things in general, then consider subscribing to my channel. And with that, I will see you in the next video.